video, as you've seen already from a title, we're gonna be reviewing the Makeup Revolution Essential Brush Set. This is a second brush set I'm gonna be trying out. The first one was the Essential Eye Set, I think, the white brushes like this. So what I didn't like about these brushes was the only thing actually, that it doesn't say the name on the actual brush. It just says Revolution, doesn't say anything else. The brushes itself really good, and I do use those a lot. So I'm not wearing makeup yet because I thought I'm gonna do review of these brushes and create my makeup using these, so that will make more sense to see if it's, you know, good or not. So thank you, without any further ado, let's check out what we got. So we have 6 brushes. What they say is the angled brow brush, the angled fluffy brush, the flat foundation brush, flat eyeshadow brush, flat blending brush, and the crease eyeshadow brush. Really loving this brush from what I see. It reminds me a lot of the brushes that I have already and use a lot by Real Techniques. I have like at least 10 of these. Oh my god, you guys, this feels amazing. So soft, like I just want to play with these. So 3 face brushes and then 3 eye brushes, like eyeshadow and brow brushes. Here we go. So we're gonna start from this flat shadow brush. For today's eyeshadow look, I think I'm gonna go with Tommy X Revolution eyeshadow palette, as I really like these colors. I think I'm gonna go for blues and greens. So as my transition color, I'm gonna use this green color, going higher than my crease is. Look how intense this color is. Oh man. Okay, this brush picks up a lot of product. A little goes a lot. Gonna take a bit of the yellow color just to soften this and go exactly the same place. Taking this crease shadow brush and gonna blend this shadow that we just applied. Just kind of soften it up. I'm gonna take the same brush that we used before, flat eyeshadow brush, and first I'm gonna use this lighter blue and later I'm gonna add this dark blue on. We're gonna start from a lighter one on the outer corners. Honestly, this brush picks up so much product on. What I'm doing next, I'm taking this angled brow brush and it is a darker blue, kind of purplish color, and I'm gonna go close to the lash line and on the outer corner. And then drag what's left closer to the middle. I'm gonna go a bit into this like C shape kind of. Later we're gonna blend this out. Because I don't want the color to be super intense, I'm taking the same crease shadow brush. I'm gonna blend this in the crease and kind of from outer corner going to the inner part of a lid. The next thing I'm doing, I'm taking a small brush and a little bit of a concealer and gonna clean up the crease part of the mobile lid. Next thing I'm doing, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division palette and gonna take this light like beige color and I'm gonna go on the inner eye corner to the middle, basically the place where we just apply this concealer. I'm gonna take this white shimmery color in the inner eye corner and a bit more to the middle. I'm gonna go with this light green shimmery color. Took a bit of this dark color with this angled brow brush and then close to the lash line into kind of like a flick, like a very thick flick. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm just gonna apply some waterproof mascara by Revolution in the Wake Up and Makeup Magnetic Lashes in Natural, and then we're gonna do face and check out these 3 brushes that are still in the set that we haven't dry, and then we can finish off the lower lash line. But so far, these brushes, really liking it. Picks up a lot of a product, so little goes a lot, so you're gonna save with your shadows as well. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do lashes. And the lashes is complete. So before I'm gonna do the lower lash line, I'm gonna go and do a face. I'm gonna start from the primer. This one is Conceal and Fix by Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna use this flat foundation brush. As they say, use to apply, spread and blend both liquid and cream foundation. The liquid foundation. Oh, the brush is so soft. Usually I don't use brushes to apply foundation because my skin is so sensitive and a brush kind of irritates my skin. But this is so nice and soft, you guys. But so far I don't really have a problem with that. I really like this brush as it doesn't leave those like nasty stripes. You know, when you use a brush you can get it a lot with foundation. Alright, so foundation is on. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this up with Revolution Conceal and Fix setting powder. And for that, I'm gonna use this flat blending brush used to blend powders or liquid-based products for a flawless finish. I'm gonna try and use this one. I'm not sure how it's gonna work. I was thinking to use this for my foundation, but then I used this another brush, so I really didn't need it. Just gonna try and press powder. I think this would work better with that foundation actually. Okay, we're gonna leave a powder to set, and in the meantime we're gonna do the lower lash line, coming back to the Tammy X Revolution palette, and I'm gonna go basically in the eye corner the yellow, in the outer corner the bluish purplish color. I think I'm gonna use first angle brush. I'm gonna take the fluffier brush. This one is the crease brush. Just gonna blend this. Taking a small lens brush in this light yellow green color. So I'm gonna go in the eye corner of that. Alright, so I'm gonna dust off the access powder. Let's try this other brush that we haven't tried yet, the last one, the angled fluffy brush. Sculpt and contour using contouring powders and creams. Oh, the brush is so super soft. Not bad actually, very easy to use brush. I'm really liking this. Okay, so I'm gonna finish my makeup off. I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit, add some blush, gonna add this one, and a little bit of the highlighter. So none of these brushes are good for that, so I'm not gonna film this part, and then I come back to you with a verdict about these brushes. And by the way, I'm doing a giveaway as well, so don't go anywhere yet. Right, and the makeup is nearly done. We just need to do lips, and that's also for lips. I'm gonna use the Revolution liquid lipstick in Angela. and the makeup is complete using these Makeup Revolution Essential Brush Set brushes. I absolutely love all these brushes, especially the eye brushes, because I do use those more than I would do use the face ones, because for a face with a brush I would use only for the powders, because the creams I prefer to blend with a makeup sponge rather than a brush. But if you prefer to blend your foundation with a brush, then this brush is amazing. It's so nice and soft. This flat brush is perfect if you like to buff foundation, and if you don't need too much of the coverage, go with the flat one. If you need a bit more of the coverage, go with this brush, because you're kind of gonna buff in the foundation. Like even try on a piece of paper and you know exactly what I mean, or on your hand, you'll see how much the flat brush gives and how much this brush will give. This brush is actually very good for the baking, as you've seen, because it packs in the powder so nicely by pressing it. Obviously not doing this because you're just gonna move your foundation around and ruin your makeup. Well, that would be pointless. Make sure you're pressing the powder in like I did. This angled, we call it angled fluffy brush, oh my god, it's so super soft, if only you can feel it, and it was perfect for applying bronzer or the contour powder. And then these eyeshadow brushes, oh my god, you guys, I'll be definitely using those. So I hope you find this video helpful, guys. This is a makeup look we created using these brushes. What do you guys think? As I mentioned, I'm currently doing a giveaway, so I'm doing 4 giveaways in one go, so there's more chance for you to get something. So I did a 4 bundles that includes some kind of eye product like mascara or falsies or both, the eyeshadow palette, the face masks, or setting sprays or something like that. I'm just checking what else I got. I got a lot of things: foundations, eyeliners, like I have it in front of me in there, so I'm checking like that. Yeah, I got a lot of things in each bundle. Is at least 12 items. So the rules for the giveaway, I'm gonna announce everything properly on my Instagram, so go check out my Instagram for more details how to enter. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this review video of this Revolution Essential Brush Set and you found this helpful. If you own the set already and you're liking it or hating it, leave a comment down below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, let me know what you think of this. Do you like this makeup look I created? I literally improvised in front of you, as I always do actually. And what you would like to see next up on my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Honestly guys, I would appreciate that so much if you do so, and I shall see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Have a good day, guys.